How to play Ludo game in Messenger with Facebook friends. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the chat section. Now open the conversation with the person with whom you want to play the Ludo game. Now click on this plus icon. Click on this game icon. Now over here you're going to find different game options. You will also find the game Ludo. Once you find it, just click on it, and with that you will be able to play the Ludo game. Likewise, in the case you cannot find that game over here, you can close this, launch your Facebook. With that you will land to the home page. Now at the top right you will find this search icon, click on it and then type in Ludo over there and search for it. With that, Ludo game options will appear. Just go ahead and click on play. With that, Ludo game will be launched. After game loads, you can invite your friends and play with them. Well, this way you can easily play Ludo game in Messenger with Facebook friends. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.